Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on a laptop. To take a screenshot, you'll need to press a key combination, which I'm gonna show you right now. Here I have the keyboard, and I need to press on Windows, Shift and S at the same time. Then it will display something like this. Now you can select whether you want to screenshot or screen record, and in the screenshot mode you can select the mode of the shotting, either rectangle, window, full screen or freeform. I'm going to show you all of those. So in the rectangle one, just select the area that you want to screenshot, and now it will show you a notification. You don't need to click on that because the screenshot is copied to your clipboard and you can paste it. To paste something, just open the place that you want to paste it to. For example here, maybe let's open Paint. And here we can just paste it by either clicking with right finger and clicking on paste, or if you don't have this option, then click on File, Edit, Paste, and it will paste it. Or instead, I'm gonna delete it, you can press on Ctrl V at the same time on your keyboard and it will also paste it. But I'm gonna close it. It also by default will save the file to your OneDrive. So go to File Explorer, then go to your OneDrive, which will have your name and personal. Then you can go to Pictures, Screenshots or something else, and you'll see the screenshots here. And also I'm gonna show you the other options of screenshotting. So let's click on Windows Shift S again, and now let's select the window screenshot. So now I can hover over a window I want to screenshot, click on it, and it will screenshot the whole window. And now I'm gonna show you the full screen. So when you click on the option full screen, it automatically takes a screenshot. And now when I do a freeform, I don't find it really useful, but maybe you will find it useful enough. You can just draw the space you want to screenshot and it will screenshot it in this exact shape. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.